In the competitive online marketplace like Amazon, you always need to be more unique and creative than your competitors. And that is the place you need icon and infographics to catch your buyer very easily. Hello guys, this is Mitun Haldar from Ecomclips. In this video, I am going to show you create icon infographics for your Amazon feature image. If you are interested in graphics design, then you should watch this video. Let's get started. What is an icon infographics? Icon infographics are the ideal for visually representing text because they are simple yet provide the appropriate visual balance to balance out your material or products. Complement your color palette. Always match to color theme. Take a look at the infographics below to see how the icons all blend in with each other and the rest of the design. Make your text visible. A good infographic is more than just text. It should be a seamless combination of text and images. They are charts, photos, icons, shapes, or anything else. Take a look at the illustration. To produce a clean, unified infographics design, make sure all the elements are same size. This is true of your text, data visualization, and icons. If you want your product to be easily visible to customer in the Amazon marketplace, you need to create an icon infographic image. I hope this video have give you a good overview and usefulness of icon infographics for your Amazon feature image. If you find this guide helpful, please comment, share and subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. Also, do not hesitate to ask if you have any queries on any field of e-commerce. We would be glad to hear from you and respond to any queries you might have. Thank you.